Soccer DBB number 470, and that is 2016 Top Sperm to go 1 box break. Teams on the right. Good luck, guys. Got one more box of this. We got Topps Champions League Showcase case break. Number 44. Only a few teams left in that. We got 2 patties in this one, guys. So let's hope it's the sponsors. Or 6 patch. Alright, here we go. First thick card. What is it? Ooh, we got a red one, guys. Red one coming. Sick. Patch auto to 11. And this is a regular jersey of John Walters for Stoke. So red patch to 11. Patch autograph coming. Hope that patch is nice. I have a feeling Devore's going to be lucky today. Somehow I feel it. Dusan Tadic. We got Eric Bailly. We got John Barnes for Liverpool to 99. And we got Zlatan to 99. Luke Shaw for Man U. The Bournemouth Stadium. And we got Andres Townsend for Palace autograph. Crystal Palace. Staying with me. Got Benteke. Again, Benteke as always. Got Man United. Got Mane. Got Tottenham. Alright, on to the biggie, guys. Good luck. Let's see, we got 2 base here. What team is it gonna be? One more card, then we'll use it. Alright. What team is it gonna be? What color? Wow, guys, look at this nasty patch. Barclays logo patch. Wow, that should be a 1-on-1 usually. Alright, what team is it going to be? We do not know it. Alright, one time for Devore, guys. Come on, give it to Devore. Swansea! Wow, and that is going out to stats. Gylfi Sigurdsson, 7 of 11. Wow, that is a nasty one. Congrats to stats. Sorry, Devore. Was really hoping you get one. That is a really nice card, guys. Patch auto to 11, Gylfi Sigurdsson. Wow, look at this nasty patch. Barclays Premier League logo. Wow. That's it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.